Todd, you're belt on.
Switch on. The line never loose. Is there?
Fish on. I got this.
Okay.
Thank you, beautiful.
Yep. All right, Todd.
Here you go, Heidi. That's it.
Another one, too. You ready?
Viene Mario. Tira para atrás.
Very good. Heidi, that's not the video. That is. This is the old one.
Maybe that was the
That's the 7, baby. Oh, nice. Two's on. 2 of them on.
What do you want me to do about the video, Jim?
Turn off the one that you have and turn on the one that is way back there. Wow, look at the jumps. You've got the old one, hon.
Where is it?
Behind you.
Sailfish.
I don't know.
This tango with this?
No.
Yeah.
At the front of the boat.
Oh, right. Double sailfish.
Wow.
We have a double sailfish.
Or maybe even, wow, look at
Oh, my
the,
God, Todd's is way out there. Oh,
wow.
double sailfish. Is this a
Insane.
3?
You have 3 on?
This tango, por abajo. Perfecto.
Way to go, guys. That's so hard to figure out.
Are there 3 fish on?
I think there's 2, baby.
¿Lo tiene este cerrado?
Jim, it's you.
See?
Yeah. Stay.
All right. Thanks. He's way out there too. Way out there. Take your time. We're good. We're good. Thank you so much. Perfect. Moments.
Sailfish, Jim and Todd. Double sail.
There we go.
That's you.
Double sail.
No, yours is closer. Mine went way out there.
I know.
Okay, no tango?
I don't think so. Unless it's in the middle.
So funny, yeah.
Wow.
They're greyhounding everywhere.
Be careful with the line.
Yes, sir.
Watch the line. That's you.
Yeah, I think that's
Figure out which number.
yeah, I'm over Jim, yeah. You wanna come this way?
I will go that way. Sounds like a plan.
All right, guys.
Cool. I'll just lean over here.
Jim and Todd, double sail.
Let's try to keep my line tight.
You can do it. Jim, it looks like you're back under again.
A little bit. I think we should be all right.
There you go.
Yeah, I think I might have to go.
Jim, you're back over.
I'm over, yeah.
Yes.
I think I'm okay for right now. Choo-choo. Fun time.
Okay, there we go. That's higher. Thank you.
Right. Jim, watch when Todd brings his up. Oh my gosh, he's got one on his. Is it 3? Okay. Is that one right there? Oh, that's Jim's. Okay. Because Jim's is closer, right?
Yeah. His is, his is a mile away. Hey, you want me to go to the other side of the boat, or are you okay with where I am at? You good?
Yeah. Jim, good where he is?
You want me to move?
No, it's good.
You're good. You got it. Thank you. Leader's almost here.
Wow.
There he is.
pienso es tengo.
Oh, is it tangled?
Ya.
Later on,
Mira, guarda, era ahí. Ito lang yan. Ito lagi pa lagi po.